afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing today? Well, I hope you're doing good. Yes, I haven't done my makeup yet. I've done my eyebrows, and so today is day 14 of my weight journey. And I am so excited to get back into the gym. 4 days, I did not do any fitness. Oh my goodness. I don't like that. Got out of my rhythm. Well, there's a long holiday over here. Carnival is going on, so 2 days the kids were at home, and so unfortunately I was not able to do my fitness, and I was so missing it. And sometimes it's really hard because, you got in this rhythm of doing your fitness, and then all of a sudden you like get out of your rhythm. And what do you do when you get out of your rhythm? Well, you don't stop. Don't stop. Even if you go a few days and you're not able to do fitness, the key is to keep going. I know it's sometimes hard because, like I said, you get into this rhythm, and then all of a sudden, let's say maybe you catch a cold or whatever, might have to work, or your kids are at home, and then you're not able to go maybe for a week or two. And then you're like, dog, am I going to get this pickup on, be able to get back on that train again? Yes, you can. You can get right back on that train and pick up where you started. And you know what? Even go even harder. So that's my motto. Don't give up. Keep that weight in your destination, that ideal weight in your destination where you're trying to get to. So don't give up. And did I cheat? No, not really, but I did go to the movies and I had some popcorn, and I had a few days where I ate a few chips. Yes, just a few chips. I didn't eat a whole bag of chips, and I did not eat any peanuts. So, although no, that's not true. I did have some peanuts, but they were really good. I ate some different type of peanuts. I got invited to a party. It was for kids, and it was a carnival party. And one of the mothers was serving like these peanuts that were in water. Well, not really water. It was in salt water. And these peanuts are actually from Spain. Please forgive me. I forgot the name of these peanuts, or these nuts. I will look them up, and when I find them, I will list them below because they were really good. Um, they were like, salty. They were in, like I said, they were in a water solution, like a salt water solution, and then basically you pick them out, and they were really delicious. So it wasn't something where you grab a whole handful and they weren't oily. So I didn't really have a bad feeling eating those because they felt, they didn't feel like, they didn't taste like the normal peanuts, and they weren't as oily and, a lot of fat on it. So that was okay. Yes, I went to the movies, and guess what movie I saw? I saw King Richard. What an awesome movie. Awesome movie. I can definitely recommend it. That Will Smith, wow, he's an amazing actor. I mean, really. I thought he did an awesome job playing Richard Williams. I actually read his book. What was the name of the book? Black and White. What was it? Let me go get my book. Kindle. My Kindle. That's my book. I love this guy. It's so easy to use and take around with you. Black and white, the way I see it. Yes, black and white, the way I see it. A very good book from Richard Williams. I can highly recommend it. I mean, this guy really went through a lot, but it just showed that he stayed really diligent. He had a dream. He stayed focused, and he really saw something in his girls. And it's just amazing what he did for his girls. I mean, considering the fact he had no tennis background, and it just shows you what the mind is capable of if you believe it, regardless of what other people say. That's how I know everything is possible. I mean, really, literally, everything is possible. There are no limits on, what you can do. The only limit is, here. We often hold ourselves back from accomplishing our dreams. So, whatever one says to you, putting you down and, telling you, oh, that's not possible. You have to have that type of background. Not true. Not true at all. I mean, look at all the self-made millionaires who did not have a rich background. Often it is like that. Most of the most successful guys, most of them do come from a pretty like normal background, if not poor background. Of course, it does help if you have some money backing you with your ideas and plans, but that should not be a limit. Important you have a vision, vision. And one thing I liked about King Richard, or not King Richard, he always said, I got a plan. I mean, this man had it all, drawn out and written out how he wanted to train his daughters. And it was just absolutely amazing, but really good book. I mean, I felt like I could take some notes because my daughter plays tennis, and the experience I've made in the tennis world is something, it's not an easy sport. Everybody, wants to see their child succeed, and, and some of the tricks people play. You just got to take care, and I thought that was a really inspiring movie to see. And yes, a long movie. I must warn you, a long movie. 2.5 hours. But it actually didn't feel like it, though. There's some movies where you watch and you're like, okay, is this going to end? I mean, you really got into the movie. I mean, I don't think there was one dull moment that you were like, and then at times I felt like I was watching the real tennis match from the sisters. I mean, it's just like, yes, it was so cool. So cool. Yes. So I'm happy. Yes, so I can, like I said, I can highly recommend the book, the movie, and the book. If you get a chance, read the book. There are a lot of things they did not include in the movie, like how he grew up. I actually would have liked if they would have gone into that, a little bit more detail on how he grew up, because that really would have really given you an insight on, who King Richard really is, and his way of thinking, and what he went through. I mean, that's crazy. The stories that he told. I mean, how he dressed up as a KKK member. It was crazy. I mean, because he grew up during those times when it was still segregated in the U.S. So, I mean, it's really sad. I mean, a lot of his good friends, died, disappeared, because back in those days, some of the, you know, some of the young guys, especially black guys, were hunted down from some of these racist groups, and he had a few stories to tell about what happened to some of his friends and how they died because of, they were hunted down and killed. So, yeah, the book is definitely much better than the movie, I would say, but I still thought that Will Smith did an awesome job with acting, and even the makeup. I mean, he sort of looked like him, the way he held his lips, and wow. Awesome, really awesome. Yeah, you really got into it, and oh, I just loved it. So inspiring to see the movie. Absolutely, really cool. Yes, so, and we are at the beginning of March, and we are having awesome weather here. I'm so excited. It's such a nice feeling. You wake up and it's not gray and the sun is shining the whole weekend. Beautiful weather. Today, we'll see. Today's looking a little bit gray. So I don't know, maybe it's over. I don't know. However, I'm going to go and work out. Oh, and by the way, these are my go-to makeups, guys. Huda Beauty, Prolong Seal from MAC. I did a video, my last video, I showed how resistant this makeup is. So if you get a chance, check it out, because you still look good. I don't put any foundation on. I just use this Strobe cream. And this is the color Goldlite, and I can highly recommend it. It still gives you a little bit of glow. And it's not bad. Literally, it's not bad. My makeup still look pretty good. So, and I have my eyelashes on too. So, guys, I'm not going to talk your heads off. I'm going to get going. And today I'm going to walk. I am going to walk to the fitness studio. Yes. So, stick around. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Don't go nowhere.